The relay on this door mirror was bad, it was not activating. Now I've changed the relay, I've tested this capacitor, it tests okay. But the problem is that now the motor is not spinning. When I apply a direct 12 volts to this motor, it's not turning. So I'm going to take it out, open it up, clean it, see if that solves the problem. Now this is a 12 volt motor, but I'm running it on a 9 volt battery. You can see even with the 9 volt battery it's now starting to spin good, but it was hesitating before. So what I think I will do is to open it and clean the brushes. It's an ordinary DC motor. So I've opened up the motor, and as you can see there are brushes inside here. Clean up the contacts and oil up the motor and see if it still works. I will also run some checks on resistances of the coils. Clean up the rotor and the brushes, and time to oil it and put it back up. So I've put it back together. As you can see, even with the 9 volt battery, the motor spins much more powerfully. So that should work. So I've repaired the motor, I've changed the relay, but if you look closely the circuit still doesn't work. This is a crack on the polyfuse. So I'll have to change the polyfuse and then see if it works. So I'm showing the crack again, a little closer, a little more closely this time. You can definitely see a crack going right around the polyfuse. I've replaced the polymer fuse and now the circuit works. Okay, so I've replaced the polyfuse on this and let's see if it works. Okay, so it seems to be working. I'll have to do the other side also. So I've mounted back the mirror on the door. Let's see if it opens and closes. Now it should. Okay, so the mirror opens and it closes.